Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to drive traffic to your affiliate links. And this is for free 100%, and I believe this is the best strategy that you can actually use. So if you're interested in that, stick around. So there is absolutely a way to do this without spending a ton of money or spamming people. However, the reason that most people don't actually do this, and the reason why most people fail, is that it's going to take a lot of work. And this is just a fact. If you're not willing to put in the work, it's like nothing's going to work. So, this video is going to be very valuable content for the people who are going to do this. While others make excuses, some people are going to actually implement it and make it work. So if you're one of these people that actually puts in the work, welcome to this video, and you're going to see how you can actually do this. And if you're someone who doesn't want to put in the work yet, or just has trouble putting in the work, still watch this video and hopefully it'll inspire you to actually put in the work. So, how are you going to do this? You're going to do this on YouTube. It's absolutely free to put out a video, and this is the best way to do it. I know some of you don't want to show their faces, and you can do this sort of without showing your face, but the best way is definitely to show your face. So first of all, you have to do keyword research. So first of all, you have to have a product in mind and know who is going to benefit from that product. What problem is the product solving? How is it going to help your customer out? What's it actually doing, and who is it going to help? So if you have a video idea with a title, what you're going to do is you're going to type in on YouTube the title that you think that you're going to use. You're going to start to find the title, and what YouTube is going to do, which is very smart, is it's going to show you what people are searching for. It's going to give you suggestions, and that's what people are actually typing on YouTube. And this is very good for content creators, because what you can do is you can just choose one of these things, because you know that people are actually searching for that and have that title that they want. So you can just take one of these and you know that it's going to get some searches. So keep in mind that you don't have to be an expert. You can be an expert basically at anything. This is just what I'm trying to say. You can be an expert like at literally anything, because we're in an era where you can learn anything, because we have this wonderful thing called internet. So all you have to do is you do some research, you learn something, and once you learn that thing, you just give it away for free on YouTube, and people will be happy about it, because they don't have to put in the work to find it, because they found your video instead, and therefore they're going to like you, and you will be the expert in that field. Plus, if you're doing that all day, then you'll probably be an expert anyway and be able to make a video without even thinking about it. Well, you do have to think about it, you have to plan it out, but you get the idea. So, not many people know the power of personal branding. Personal branding is, I believe, the best thing that you can do in 2018. So if you're unaware what that actually is where you show your face. That's the way it is. You have to show your face, and you just put yourself out there and help people. And that's exactly what a lot of people did even before the internet was that big. And like, if you think of Michael Jordan, for instance, huge personal brand, billionaire. Kylie Jenner, same thing. You like her, you don't, doesn't really matter. She's very smart. No matter what you say, she is. And so many different people. You go on YouTube and you try to learn something, and most likely it's somebody that's going to talk to you, and that is a personal brand. And a lot of people have built huge personal brands. Think Gary Vee, think Tai Lopez, and this is hugely beneficial to them. So if you build a personal brand, it's going to benefit you quite a bit, and it's going to benefit the people that you're actually helping, because that's the point. You have to help people, and that's what's going to make the brand that you actually have. It's a value-based brand, and that's probably the best brand that you can ever have, because people will come to you if they want to know that type of thing, because you can't have a brand about everything, but you have to have a brand in a niche, just like I do. I teach how to make money online, and that's what you have to do. You have to find something that you are interested in and make a brand around it. And that means anyone can create a 6, 7 or 8 or 9-figure business just by building a personal brand, and a lot of people have done it, so don't tell me you can't do that. And I'm saying 8, some people have become billionaires, just like I said a few seconds ago. The reason why you have to be interested or passionate is the best thing, but at least interested in what you're doing, is you're going to have to put out a lot of videos. And by a lot, I mean a lot. Like, for years to come, you will have to create videos on that subject. You will have to put out videos all the time. I'm putting out videos every single day, and for 2019, which hasn't started yet, I am going to put out 365 videos a year, meaning one video a day without missing a single day. That's one of my goals. I shared that in a previous video, which I'll try and link, somewhere or down there in the description. But this is something that you're going to have to do. I used to miss out videos, and this is not the way to do it. You have to stay consistent, and I said I'm going to put out videos 365 days a year for next year, but I have already started that basically. So that's what you're going to have to do. That is why you have to be at least interested, if not passionate, about what you're doing, because otherwise you're just going to give up. That's just a fact. That's the way it is. If you're just in there for the money, it's just not going to work. So you have to give valuable content. That's one of the most important things of your personal brand. If you're not giving valuable content and people don't actually learn anything or find any value in what you're doing, then it's just not going to work. You're not going to have a personal brand that actually strives, and that is not the way that you want to go. So a very, very important thing is you want to have valuable content that you give away. So now that you've made your video, you've found the title because you typed it on YouTube and you know that it's a good title, what you have to do is you are going to post your affiliate link at the top of the description. I'm saying an affiliate link, but it can be anything. It can be something where you give away a free ebook so that you can get emails. And building an email list, by the way, is very, very important, and you don't want to do that straight off the bat, but you want to do it pretty soon. But you can post an affiliate link, and you have a call to action, a CTA, that's what it's called, to check out what you have below. So if it's an affiliate link, tell them I have a link about this. You can tell them it's an affiliate link. I do this all the time. There's no point in hiding it because obviously you want to get paid. So I've clicked on affiliate links before and I'm very happy that I did. So you can say it's an affiliate link. You can say that you have a free ebook. No matter what it is, you have to make sure that people know. You don't want to drag it on for 10 minutes, but you want to just mention it in your video that, okay, I have this link in the description, make sure that you check it out if you're interested, or I have a free ebook that you can download for free. obviously, because it's a free ebook, so you can probably download it for free. Anyway, so you do that, and you have to mention it in the video, because otherwise people most likely won't check the description. The next thing in your description is you want to have a little text where you describe the video. But not only will you describe the video, you want to put out the keywords in your description. So you have to have the title in there and as many keywords as possible, and the main ones you have to put at least twice, if not 3 times. That's what I recommend. If you can't put it 3 times, that's okay, but at least twice. Just try and do that. That will help your video rank up a little bit. With that being said, make sure that you do not just spam it and list all your keywords, because that won't work. YouTube is very smart. It's owned by Google, and they know that that just doesn't work. So you can't list your keywords, but you do have to write a little text including your keywords. That is basic SEO, but you have to know about this. So you also want to do this with tags, so include the best tags. How do you include the best tags? You download something called TubeBuddy. There's another software as well that I don't know the name of, because I use TubeBuddy. And what this is a plugin, and you just click on the video, like you have a title for your video, and I think I talked about this in yesterday's video, but if I did, just bear with me and I'll finish that off. So you type in on YouTube the name that you want to have, and the first video that appears, you click on it, and if you have TubeBuddy installed, it will show you all the keywords that that person used. If that's the first video for the name that you want to use, they did a very good job at SEO. Now, that doesn't only include the keywords, but it's a good part, so if you want to include them, just copy and paste them if the video is on the same subject. The next thing, and I don't have many tips around that, but you do have to have a good thumbnail. You have to have a thumbnail that just stands out from all the others, so that people will click on your thumbnail rather than another thumbnail, and that's just the way it is. So make sure that you have a good thumbnail that stands out. Again, not many tips around that, but you have to keep in mind that this is not a last minute thing that you want to do. Think about how you're going to stand out with your thumbnail, and just look at all the good ones, the ones that are getting a lot of views, and it's probably a good way to do it. With that being said, like I said, get the idea. I'm putting out content every single day. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you found any value whatsoever, please leave me a like, that's how I know. Also leave me a comment. Let me know if that video has helped you out or not. If it hasn't, let me know as well. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.